Hello students, in this video we will talk about how to find the distance in topo sheet or how to measure the distance in topo sheet. Students, we can measure the distance with two methods. First is direct distance, second is indirect distance. What is direct distance? In direct distance, suppose we have two places A and B, and we have to find out the direct or straight distance between A and B. That is called the direct distance. And second is indirect distance. Here also we have two places A and B. But in this indirect distance, we will not follow the straight pattern. We will follow the curves. That is called the indirect distance. So students, before find out the distance in topo sheet, first of all, we need to understand the scale of the map. As you can see, in the bottom of the map, it is written 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. It means the 2 centimeter in topo sheet is equal to 1 kilometer on ground. As you can see that in this square, the difference between the distance between or the difference between the square is 2 centimeter. It means here the difference between this is in the topo sheet is 2 centimeter, but the actual distance on the ground is 1 kilometer. So this is the scale of the map. Now let's find out the distance in topo sheet. Here one is question. Find out the distance between the following. Direct distance in kilometers between Makawal 0604 and Rampura Khera 0707. So this 0604 and 0707, these are the grid reference of the location or the settlements. Like Makawal's grid reference is 0604. So we can also find out the location with the help of this grid reference. First of all, find out the location in topo sheet. So this is a Makawal. This is a Makawal settlement. Now find out the Rampura Khera. We will see the first easting 07. So here is 07 and the northing 07. This is northing 07. So this is a settlement of Rampura Khera, and we have to find the direct distance between Makawal and Rampura Khera. To measure the distance of the settlements, first we will take the center point of the settlement. Like this is a settlement, and we will take out the center point of the settlement. So we can see that this is a center point. This is a center point of the settlement, and this is the center point of the Rampura Khera. We will take one scale and keep the scale in the center of the settlement. As you can see, the distance between the Makawal and the Rampura Khera is 6 centimeter. The 6 centimeter is come on totally the center of the Rampura Khera. So we will take 6 centimeter. The distance between is that Makawal and the Rampura Khera is 6 centimeter. Now we have the map distance. The map distance is 6 centimeter. Okay, and Now we have the map. The map scale is, what is the map scale? That is the 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Means 1 centimeter is equal to half kilometer. Okay. So the 6 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 2 into 6. 3 kilometer. So in the simple way we can do that. Just the actual distance is 6 divided by 2, that is answer is 3 kilometer. So the distance between the Makawal and the Rampura is 3 kilometer. The answer is 3 kilometer. Clear? In simple way, very simple way, we just divide the value with 2. That will be the answer of a distance between two places. The next question is, find out the indirect distance in kilometer and meters along road from Kranti 0710 to bus 7004. So here we have to find the indirect distance between two locations, that is Kranti and bus. So here is one location Kranti and here is bus. So we have to find the indirect distance. So we will take one thread. Okay, this is a thread. So we will take one thread and measure the distance between Kranti and bus. We have to keep the thread in the settlement of the Kranti here, and we will follow the road's curves. So this is a metal road, you can see that, and we will follow this metal road's curve properly with thread and keep the thread properly on the road and keep it very carefully. Okay, and measure the distance with thread and follow the curves very carefully. Keep it very properly. Follow each small curve. Like this. Okay. Here is one curve. If the thread is little bit slip, then measure the distance again. Otherwise, the answer will be wrong. And here it was. So take a pen and mark the one point on thread. Okay. See, I have marked one point on thread. Now take scale and from the starting point of the thread, like this, stretch the thread with scale properly. As we can see, the mark is 13.8. So here is the map distance is 13.8. Now we have measured the distance between Kranti to bus on map. That on map distance is 13.8 centimeter. And what is the actual distance? To find out the actual distance, the actual distance is equal to, we need divide the 13.8 with 2. So 13.8 upon 2, and the answer is 6.9 kilometer. So this is the answer in kilometer. Now to convert the kilometer to meters, we have multiply by 1000. So the 6.9 kilometer is equal to 6.9 multiply with 1000, and the answer is 6900 meter. So in meters, the distance between Kranti to Vas is 6900 meter, and in kilometers 6.9 kilometers in the distance between Kranti to Vas. I hope the concept of find the distance in topo sheet very clear to you all. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. God bless you to all.